Alrighty. All right, guys, we hit 2,000 subscribers. Only took 2 years. No big deal about it. I'm actually gonna probably do like everybody else and sell merch. So I want you to take a good look at this new Sophie leather hat. Not made in China, made in the USA, handcrafted by yours truly. And one size fits all. I might be selling this reasonable price. I'm thinking somewhere around like $1,300 with a 0.3% off. So yeah, look out for that. Let me show you what it looks like in public, if you're in public. And sometimes it'll go back like that, and it's made like that on purpose because it gives you room, you know, to nod like when your friend comes up. You know what I mean? Yeah, so look out for that merch. Sophie Leather's one of my new hats. And yeah, there you go. So anyway, in this video, you might notice my mustache is a little bit thicker than the video that's gonna come up Saturday. Saturday's video is going to be about my glue, the glue that I use, the contact cement that I use. So stay tuned for that Saturday at 9 a.m. Ocala, Florida time, which is Eastern Standard Time. But I just want to say thank you to everybody that's been following me for the last 2 years. It's a slow growth, but I love it. You know, I don't play the algorithm game. I just do what I want to do. But I have this one wallet right here that I want to say thank you, and I want to give it away to somebody. All right. So stay tuned to the end of the video to learn how to enter the free giveaway majigger. This wallet is what I used to call a minimalist card wallet. All right, has 3 different spots, one for the front, one in the middle compartment, and another one in the back. And it comes with this money clip that is easily removable. You can take this off if you don't want the money clip. I really just use this for just a couple of cards. Now this is really it's kind of tight. So I put in these little slots down here. You can easily push and get your card out. Now, it's tight at first, but it will break in. Let me show you what it looks like broken in. Now, this is not the same wallet, but it's definitely the same leather. This is something that I just was messing around with it. I've been using for about, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 months, and you could see the difference in the patina. All right, it's the same leather, which is Wicked & Craig. This is called their new Latigo. This is the olive color. Kind of looks like OD green to me. Really, really cool. This is, the stitch on here is Ritza Tiger Thread Colonial Tan. And this one is in beige. But I'm giving away this one. This one I'm still using. But what I wanted to show you was, look how many cards I have in here. I have a lot of cardos. But I don't know if you can see that, how it kind of formed. And I didn't do anything, I just left that in there, and after a couple of weeks, it kind of formed to that. So it's actually pretty easy to get all these cards out. I don't know if you can see that. So needless to say, when I make these, I put only 1 card, because if you only want 1 card, you want it to stay tight and not mold to about 3 or 4 cards, because then it'll slide out. So I'm gonna leave the 1 in here for you guys, but you can easily shove 4 or 5 cards in there. It'll be tight at first, but after a while, it'll kind of break in. So yeah, so let me turn let me turn the camera. You know what I mean. I'm gonna turn around and talk to you. Bye. All right, so yeah, by the way, if you guys want one of these hats, I'll probably make a merchandise shop or something, and then $1,300,000 for one of these Sophie leather hats. Yeah, so in order to enter this, like this video, subscribe to the channel, share this video, and let's get 2,000 views on this video. Can we do that? Once we get that, 2,000 views in this video, it's not a lot to ask. I'll ship this off, and the way you enter is put in the comments below why you want this wallet. And if you want to make me laugh with a joke, well, not a joke, if you want to make me laugh on some kind of story that absolutely it's not even real, you just make up a story why you want this wallet, and it makes me laugh the most, then I'll give you the wallet. Try to keep it clean if you don't mind. I mean, you can do what you want, but if you don't mind, thank you. US only, it can't be international. So yeah, stay tuned for the video that's coming on Saturday, this Saturday. It's about glue. All right, don't forget to pick up your merch, $7,000 plus an arm. Maybe a leg too, okay, bye. That was dumb. That's stupid.